Up School PCs is found in the Microsoft Store. It is used to create provisioning packages. Up School PCs makes it easy to set up Windows 10 PCs with Microsoft's recommended education settings using a quick USB setup. When we open Up School PCs, we are presented with 3 easy steps to get the device from an out-of-box state into your Intune environment. Click Get Started to begin. The first step is to name your package. This is different than how you will name your devices that are enrolled using the Up School PCs provisioning package. Now it's time to connect Up School PCs to your Microsoft 365 account. Do this by signing in. Make sure that your account has the necessary privileges to join devices to Azure Active Directory for Intune management. Your new devices will need to be able to access the internet in order to join Azure Active Directory and begin consuming policy and applications from Intune. To do so, add your wireless information here. A nice feature in Up School PCs is that it checks to make sure you have successfully entered your Wi-Fi credentials. In this step, you enter a naming convention for these devices. You are limited to 5 characters or less. This name will be appended so that each device joined via this method is unique in its naming. Based on the OS version of the devices being enrolled, different features will be made available. For instance, if the device is running Windows 10 1903 or later, you have the ability to allow local storage, optimize the device for a single student instead of a shared cart, configure a preferred Azure Active Directory domain name, and remove apps pre-installed by the device manufacturer. Select the time zone you want your newly enrolled PCs to be on. For a device to be joined to Azure Active Directory and have Intune as the management authority, it needs to be running Windows 10 Pro or better. This includes Windows 10 Pro Education and Windows 10 Education. If your device ships with Windows 10 Pro and you would like to convert it to Windows 10 Pro Education, you can enter your Mac key here. If these devices will be used for testing purposes, you can add the Take a Test application to the login screen. On this page, you can customize those settings. Are there certain apps you want now and you are not willing to wait for Intune to push those applications to your device? You can pre-install those here. On the Personalized Student PCs page, you can upload a custom desktop background as well as a custom lock screen background. For this package, you see that we named the package test. I signed in to my Microsoft 365 environment. My wireless network is named Cicero. The device's names will be Demo. And we set up the preferred Azure Active Directory domain name, Eastern Standard Time. We disabled the Take a Test app, and we kept the defaults for the desktop image and lock screen image. If this looks good, select Accept. Otherwise, go back. Now it is time to save the package. Do so by inserting a USB memory stick into the side of your device. It should automatically appear on this page. Select that USB disk and click Save. Your provisioning package is now ready. Remove your USB stick with the provisioning package installed on it and bring it to your devices that are ready to be enrolled. Line up all the student PCs. Don't insert the USB drive yet. Turn them on and make sure they're charged up. Let them load and do their thing. Do not go beyond the blue screen pictured below. Now it is time to install the package. Grab a student PC and insert the USB drive. The system will automatically detect and run. The computer may restart several times. Wait until the first restart and remove the USB stick. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for all student PCs. Please note, if you need additional features not found in Up School PCs, you can import the Up School PCs provisioning package into Windows Configuration Designer for more customizations.